to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious dessert with chocolate, peanut butter, and raspberry. The ingredients you're going to need: 2 sweet potatoes, a chocolate mix. We have raspberry jam without sugar. Then we have a peanut butter. It has some chocolate inside and a little bit of maple syrup. Great ingredients. We're not going to use the skin. You see, you just boil the sweet potatoes. The skin comes off really easy. I'm gonna give it a slice. You see, they're so sweet. You can see almost like the natural sweetness right on the sweet potato. So we're using 1 pack of the hot chocolate mix organic. Let's put it right on the top. So the pack of chocolate we just used is 10 ounces. So now I have 1 teaspoon of chocolate peanut butter. We have a tablespoon of raspberry jam, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. 2. I'm gonna give it a nice mix. We got the sweet potato mix ready. We have a parchment paper right here. We're warming up the oven to 350. Great ingredients. You have sweet potato. You have a little bit of maple syrup, a little peanut butter to put in the oven. The oven is preheated at 350, and now we're gonna bake. We're here in the kitchen. Yes. Today in the front of you, what do you have? You have a chocolate peanut butter raspberry dessert.
Wow, it's really good.
Look, it's a really good dessert. And it's good for you because what happens usually when you make a dessert, you're gonna use white flour.
Yeah.
You're gonna use butter.
Yeah.
You're gonna put egg. You're gonna put salt. And this dessert, we use 2 sweet potatoes, say like 1/4 of a cup of a chocolate mix. So you can use a chocolate, any chocolate you prefer, or even a chocolate protein, it can be good.
Yeah.
Then we use 1 tablespoon of raspberry.
Yes.
And the last ingredient, it was a teaspoon of chocolate peanut butter. All right, Alex. Another good day in the neighborhood.